Yeah, hello kids. How are you? I hope you all are well. Kids, today we will learn chapter number 1. Chapter number 1, that is large numbers. That is large numbers. In this chapter we are going to study about numbers beyond 9999, reading and writing large numbers, number names, face value and place value, expanded form of a number, 5-digit and 6-digit number on an abacus, successor and predecessor of a number, comparison of number, ascending and descending order, forming numbers, rounding numbers, and no Roman numerals. Let's start the chapter. Now, Irfan, can you read the number that one have written? Yes, it is 1. It is read as ONE1. Understand, class? Now, count and write the numbers. One block for 1000, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000. And one block for 100, 100, 200. Now, it is for tens. It is for tens. 1, 2, 2 tens. So, it will become 6202. Okay. So, 6202. Okay. We have already learned numbers up to 9999 in previous class. You know, class, let us recall. Now, class, revision. Question number 1, write the numbers name for the following numerals. We have to write the number names. So it is 2466. So 2000 400, spelling of 100, write carefully. All spellings you have to write carefully. 66. Understand, class? Now it is 400, 4000, 4800, 22. Okay, now it is 9000, 9046. Understand, class? Now question number 2, write the numerals for the following number names. Okay, now 1516. 1516. Understand, class? Now 2005. 2005. Understand? Rest of the parts? Do yourself. Now question number 3, write in short form. So it is 2505. 2505. Now 5698. 5698. Rest of the parts, do yourself. Now class, expanded form in question number 4. 3800. 10 tens and 9 ones. Rest of the parts, do yourself. Question number 5, write numerals for the each of the following. Now 2110. Okay, 5000 ones, 5000 ones. Rest of the parts, do yourself. Now students, write the successor, means after the number. 1992, 3951. Now predecessor. Predecessor means before. Now 2918. 4999. Rest of the parts do yourself. Now, class, question number 8. Circle the smallest number. Circle the smallest number. So, which is smallest? 2109, because 2643 is greater than 2109. So, it is smaller. Rest of the parts do yourself. Now, students, question number 9. Circle the greatest number. Circle the greatest number. Here is 16161616. Yes, class. So we will compare tens digit. Now 1, 3, 3, 5. So which one is bigger? This one. Now rest of the parts do yourself. Now students, question number 10. Fill in the blanks with these signs. So 3009 is bigger than 3003. Now 5578, 5578, both are equal. Rest of the parts do yourself. Now students, arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. So we will see firstly ones, tens, 100, 1000. We will see firstly 1000 digit. So 3, 3, 3, 3. All. Now 4, 3, 4, 3. 4, 3, 4, 3. So we will write 3. It is 4, 2, 3. 3, 4, 2. 4, 3, 2. Now we will write 3324. Understand? Now we will write 3342. Now we will write 3423. Now we will write 3432. Understand, class? Rest of the parts do yourself. Now students, question number 12. Arrange in descending order. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. So now 9999, 3534. So we will write 9534. After that, which one is bigger? Now 9434. Now 9354, and then cut it, and then this 9334. Understand, class? Rest of the parts do yourself. Now students, come on numbers beyond 9999. Now 5-digit numbers. 5-digit numbers. We know that the greatest 4-digit number is, greatest 4-digit number क्या होता है क्लास हमारा? 9999. So in that 9909 tens, 9 ones. Understand? What number comes after 9999? So let us add. अब इसमें क्या करेंगे? 1 को add कर देंगे. So it will become 10,000. It will become 10,000. We will write it 10,000 like this. 4 zeros. Okay. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number, and 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. It is read as 10,000. 10,000 denote the 10,000 place. 6-digit number. What comes after the 99,999? Let us add 1 to 99,999. So, thus it will become 1 lakh. It will become 1 lakh. Okay. Now 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number, and 9,99,900 is the largest 6-digit number. Understand? 1 lakh is a 6-digit number. It is read as 1 lakh. L denotes the lakhs place. Okay. See. Reading and writing large numbers. reading and writing large numbers. While reading and writing large numbers, we divide them into groups called periods. हम उन्हें क्या कर देते हैं, ग्रुप में डिवाइड कर देते हैं और उनको क्या बोलते हैं, पीरियड्स. इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम. In India, we mostly follow the Indian place value system. हम क्या यूज करते हैं, Indian place value system, also called the Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. क्या बोलते हैं हम उसको, Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. Now, Indian place value chart. It is the place value chart, class C. Now, periods, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 1000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Understand? Short form, 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Now, 1 4, 1 ones, 1 0, tens, 2 zeros become 100, 3 zeros, 1,000, 4 zeros, 10,000, 5 zeros, lakh, and 6 zeros, 10 lakh. Understand, class? Now the 7 places are grouped into 3 periods. 7 places. How many places? 7 places are grouped into 3 periods. Ones period, 1,000 tens ones. 1,000 periods, 10,000 1,000. Lakh periods, 10 lakh and lakh. While writing a number, we separate the periods by a comma. हम जब numbers को लिखते हैं हम उसमें separate कर देते हैं commas को. Like मैंने लिखा 9,999. मैंने लिखा 99,999. तो मैंने क्या किया, इनको सेपरेट कर दिया कोमा से. सो इट विल रीड एज 99,999. ओके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी हियर, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. So yes, it is 23,546. तो हम क्या करते हैं, 3 डिजिट्स के बाद हम क्या करते हैं, उसमें कोमा लगा देते हैं. तो इट इज, हम कैसे लिखेंगे इसको, 23,546. सिमिलरली 3,45,290. नाउ क्लास, इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम. इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम. The international place value system is used in large number of countries in the world. Large number of countries in the world. International place value chart. International place value chart. See, एक होता है national और एक होता है international. Now periods, short form 100 millions, 10 millions, millions, 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. क्लास आपने देखा यहाँ पर हमारे पास क्या नहीं है, लैख नहीं है. अब हमारे पास 1,000, 10,000 के पास क्या हो गया, हमारे पास 100,000. मिलियन, 10 मिलियन, 100 मिलियन. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ 10,000, 1 lakh means here 100,000. 1 lakh means here 100,000. Now 10 lakh means 10 millions. Okay. Now here the 3 periods are 100,000 ones, 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100 million, 10 million and million. While writing in an international system, also we separate the periods by a comma. Understand? See, it is 1 commas. Okay, like this. 100,000, 7, 10,456. Understand? Comparison of Indian and international system. Indian system 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. See, 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Now international में क्या होगा, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, millions, 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100,000, tens and ones. यहाँ पर क्या नहीं होता, यहाँ पर lakh नहीं होता इंटरनेशनल में. अंडरस्टैंड? From the above table we observe that 1 lakh, 100,000. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. I told you. Now 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. 10 lakh, 1 million. Now numbers name. The numbers name of a number is derived to place its digit in the place value chart, Indian place value chart. Now 11,156, see 57,299, 1,14,281. Understand like this. Now international place value chart. International place value chart. It is 300. It is 304,000. 304,000. 395. 395. Now it is 168,000. 168,475. Cut 457. Now it is 199,000. 199,428. 199,428. The period is not written in plural while writing the number. हम period is plural में नहीं लिखते हैं. We do not write and in the number name. Okay. Now exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Write the number's name in Indian system. Now class, A part of the question number 1. Now 53. Yes. Now B part. Understand, we have to write in a Indian system. So it is 53,100 125. 25. Understand class? Now it is 1,87,000 87,000 87,000 819. Understand class? All have understand? Yes class, A and B part is done. Rest of the parts do yourself. Now come on the question number 2. Write the number names in international system. Write the number names in the international system. See. Now A part is 167, 97. Now it is class 4. Yes class, 400, 412,000, 412,000, 351, 351. Understand class? Now B part, it is 167,000 800 97. 897. Understand class? I hope you all have understood Indian system. Indian system, and this is international system properly. Understand, class? All have understood? Now, class, rest of the parts do yourself. Now, question number third. Write the smallest and greatest six-digit number both in figures and in words in Indian system. Firstly, we will write in Indian system. Okay. Now, smallest and greatest six-digit number. Yes, class. Smallest here and greatest greatest. Understand, class? Now, smallest six-digit number in international system is 1 lakh. Okay. Now, greatest. Yes. Greatest is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understand, class? Now, students, rest of the parts do yourself. Yes, class. Now come on the question number 4. Write the numbers for these number names with the help of place value table. Now 35,672. 35,672. Understand? Now 7,89,400. 89,400. Rest of the parts do yourself. Now, students, face value and place value. Face value and place value. Face value, the face value of digit is the value of the digit itself, irrespective of its place in the number. Means face value क्या होती है? जो नंबर होता है वही उसका face value होता है. क्लास, अगर मैंने पूछा 100,000 10 months, मैंने आपसे पूछा यहाँ पर 2 की फेस वैल्यू क्या होगी, तो 2 की फेस वैल्यू क्या होगी? 2 ही होगी. 1 की 1 होगी, 0 की 0 होगी. एग्जाम्पल, द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 इन द नंबर 3000, 3,27,456 में क्या होगी? 2 की फेस वैल्यू 2 ही होगी. अंडरस्टैंड? फेस वैल्यू, द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ अ डिजिट डिपेंड्स ऑन इट्स पोजीशन. डिपेंड्स ऑन इट्स पोजीशन, जो उसकी पोजीशन होती है. प्लेस वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू फेस वैल्यू इनटू वैल्यू ऑफ द प्लेस इन द नंबर. नाउ find the place value of each of the digit in the number. 3,27,456. Now 3 lakhs, 2, 10,000, 7,400, 5 tens, 6 ones. Now place value of 6, 6 into 1, 6 ones. Place value of 5, 5 into 10, 50, 5 tens. Place value of 4, 4 into 100, 400, 400s. Now place value of 7, 7 into 1,000. 7,000, 7,000s. Place value of 2, 2 into 10,000. Now 20,000s. Place value of 3 into 1 lakh, 3 lakhs. Understand? Expanded form of a number. Now a number written as the sum of the place value of its digit is called the expanded form. See, for the number. See, write the expanded form of 9,65,307. So 9 on the lakh position, 6, 5 into 1,000, 3 into 100, 7 into 1. So 9 lakh 60,000, 60,000, 5,000, 65,307. So 9 lakh 65,307. Now 5 digit and 6 digit numbers on an abacus. Okay, let us represent numerals 44,217 and 6,50,381 on an abacus. Now, ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 4, 4. Now 1, 8, 3, 0, 5, 6. Understand class? Now come on the exercise 1.2. Write the place value of the digits given below. Place value of 2, 2. Place value of 4, it is 400. Place value of 6, it is 60,000. It is 8 lakh. Understand class? Now B, place value of 4, 4. Now 550, 2, 200, 7, 7,000. Rest of the parts, do yourself. Now write the numerals represent on the abacus. Now it is 4, 1, 2, 4, 3. Understand class? 34,214. Now 2, 0, 5, 3, 4. Understand? You have to count them and write them. Rest of the parts, do yourself. Now student, successor and predecessor of a number. Successor of a number, one more than the number. One more than the number. So we add 1 to the number to get its successor. Example, successor of 13,235, 13,236. Now successor of 99,999 is 1 lakh. Similarly, we can add also. Okay. Now predecessor, 1 less than the number. So we subtract from 1 from the number to get its predecessor. Similarly, we have to minus. Understand? Like this also. Now comparison of a number. Now we have already learned the comparison of numbers up to 4 digits. Okay, the rules of comparison of greater numbers are the same. क्या होता है? The rules of comparison, the greater numbers are the same. वो क्या होते हैं? Same होते हैं उनके rules. If the numbers digits are different, then the number with more digit is greater. Example, डिजिट क्या होता है? उनके नंबर्स डिफरेंट है. यहाँ पर कितने डिजिट है? 5 और यहाँ पे कितने हैं? 4. जिसके पास ज्यादा डिजिट्स होंगे वो नंबर क्या होगा? बड़ा होगा. नाउ इफ द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट आर सेम, देन वी स्टार्ट द कंपैरिजन ऑफ द डिजिट फ्रॉम द extreme left. Understand? We compare the digit until we find two digits that are different. हम तब तक उसका कंपैरिजन करेंगे जब तक हमारे पास 2 डिजिट डिफरेंट ना हो. Compare them to decide which is smaller or greater than. Okay. Now see 2, 2, 3, 3. अब हमारे पास 4 और 1. अब हमारे पास क्या ज्यादा होता? 4 या 1? तो 4. So it is greater than this. Understand? Let us take some example to understand which is greater in these digits. Now both our number are 5 digits. इसके पास भी 5 digits हैं, इसके पास भी. Numbers, comparing the numbers, we see that the digit at the 10,000 place are same. देखिए 7 7 यहाँ पर same है. अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम क्या देखेंगे? Compare the digit at the 1000 place, 3000 and 4000. अब यहाँ पर 3 और 4. तो which is bigger? 10 4 bigger है तो क्या होगा क्लास? 3000 is bigger than 4. 3000 is less than 4000. So 74,356 is greater than 73,456. Understand? Now which is greater? Both the numbers are 6 digit. इसके पास भी 6 digits हैं, इसके पास भी. Now compare the numbers. We see that the digits at lakh, 10,000 and 1,000 place are same. देखिए सी 6, 4, 4, 5. अब क्या ये same है? So we compare the digit at the hundreds place. Okay. 300s 1. So 300s is bigger. Thus 6,45,385 is greater than 6,45,107. Understand class? Now class, ascending and descending order. Now ascending order means arranging the number from the smallest to greatest. Now descending order means arranging the number greatest to smaller. In ascending order, smallest to greatest, and in descending order, greatest to smaller. Example number 1, arrange in descending order. Since the digit at the 10,000 place are same in all the numbers. See, 4, 4, 4, see here, 4, 4, understand? At the 1000 place. Thus, the numbers in descending order are, see, 49,235, like this. Understand? Arrange in ascending order. Now, comparing the digit at the extreme left place, we see that 4,23,453 is smallest and 6,27,175 is the greatest number. ये वाला था क्या था? Smallest और ये था greatest. Now comparing, अब इन दोनों में हम compare करेंगे तो ये इससे क्या है? बड़ा है. Okay, thus the number is ascending order are this. Understand? Now, students, come on the exercise 1.3. Question number 1. Write the predecessor and successor of the following. Now, predecessor means before one number, 1 less than. So, it will become 7,29,399. Now, what is the successor? 401. Again, 68. It will become 198. Now, it will become 200. Okay, class. Now, rest of the parts, do yourself. Fill in the blanks with these signs. Now, it is bigger. Okay, it is bigger. Rest of the parts, do yourself. Now, class, arranging ascending order. Firstly, we have to arrange in ascending order. Question number 3rd, A part is 44,452. Now 32,570, 99,174, 83, 495. So what is the ascending order? Class C. Ascending order is smallest to biggest. Now smallest number is 32,570. Now this is 44,452. Now 93,495 and then 99,674. Smallest to biggest. Understand, class? Now class B part. Now B part is 58,969. Now 78. Understand, class? Now which is smallest? This 58,900. Now 69,900. Understand, class? Now class, it is already in ascending order. It is already in ascending order. Understand? It is already in ascending order. Okay. Now students, now rest of the parts, do yourself. Come on the question number 4, arrange in descending order. Now question number 4, A part is 92,173. Now 93,234. Now 90,148. Now 92,345. Understand, class? So what we will do? Firstly, we have to write the greatest digit. Greatest digit is 93,234. Now then, here is 92, here is 92, but it is bigger. Now 92,345. Now 92,173. Now 90,148. Now students, B part. 52,059 and 72,509, 72,590, and then 72,950. Understand? Now 72,500, 72,059, 72,509, 72,590, 72,950. It is greatest. Now rest, it is 72,590. Now it is 72,509. Now 72,559, 72,059. Understand class? This is descending order. This is descending order. I hope you all have understood very well. Now students, rest of the parts do yourself. Now forming numbers. Forming numbers. To write the smallest number, use the given digits each only once. To write the smallest number. हमें smallest number के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, एक digit को एक ही बार use करेंगे. When none of the digit is zero, we arrange the digit in descending order in form the number. The smallest 5-digit number is using the digit 1, 3, 2, 5 and 9. It is 12,359. हमने इन डिजिट से क्या बनाया है, स्मॉलेस्ट 5-डिजिट नंबर बनाया है. अभी हम अब हम इससे क्या करेंगे, ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बनाएंगे. क्या बनाएंगे, यूजिंग द स्मॉलेस्ट 6-डिजिट नंबर. क्या बनाएंगे, स्मॉलेस्ट 6-डिजिट नंबर बनाएंगे. नाउ इट इज सो हम क्या करेंगे, स्मॉलेस्ट में बनाने के लिए वी हैव टू यूज असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. वी यूज असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. नाउ व्हेन one of the digit is 0, we arrange the digit in ascending order and put 0 at the second place from extreme left while forming the number. See, the smallest 6-digit number using these digits. तो हमने क्या किया है, लेफ्ट में लगाया उसको. 1,04,578. To write the greatest number, we using the digits each only once. We simply arrange the digit in descending order. Okay. Greatest 5-digit number using digits 7531 and 9, 97531, 97,531. Now 6-digit number, again we use 0 at last. Okay, now 9,8,5,3,1,0, 9,85,310. To write the smallest or greatest number using given digit, the repetition of digit, we first form the smallest or greatest number using the given digit each only once. Then we place the digit to be repeated. Understand? Now the smallest 5-digit number using the digits 1, 4, 3. smallest के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, 1, 3, 4, 7. 4 is twice, so हम 4 को after 4. Understand? Now greatest, it is 9,8,720. Understand? 7 is twice. अब यहाँ पर 7 क्या है, twice. हम 7 को 7 के just बाद लगाएंगे. Okay. Now rounding numbers. Rounding numbers. In our daily life, we come across situation where we do not know the exact answer. हमें अपनी डेली लाइफ में हमें एग्जैक्ट आंसर नहीं पता होता कभी कभी सम क्वांटिटीज को लेकर. ओके, वी गिव एन आंसर विच हैज बीन राउंडिंग ऑफ. ओके, हम कैसा आंसर देते हैं, राउंडिंग ऑफ की अप्रॉक्स, नियरेस्ट टेंस, हंड्रेड्स और थाउजेंड एज द केस मे बी. ओके, number of people who attended the music program was about 1200. अब क्लास ये म्यूजिक क्या था, म्यूजिक प्रोग्राम था यहाँ पर। अब जिन लोगों ने अबाउट 1200, उन्होंने क्या बोला, अबाउट। अबाउट मीन्स या तो 1200 होंगे या उससे थोड़े कम होंगे, है ना, उसके लगभग, मीन्स लमसम। राउंडिंग टू द नियरेस्ट टेंस, कंसीडर द नंबर्स 51, 58, 55. Now 51 is nearest to 50 and to then to 60. So 51 is rounding off to 50. Now 50 is nearest to 60. 58 किसके पास है, 60 के पास, so हम उसको 58 is rounded off in 60. 58 is rounded off to 60. 55 is halfway. अब क्या है, 55 के बीच में है, between 50 and 60. So 55 is rounding off to 60. Okay. Look at the digit at the ones place. If the digit at the ones place is less than 5, अगर अब हमारे पास ये सिचुएशन थी, ये बीच में था 55, तो हम 60 के करें या 50 के करें, तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम उसको वंस डिजिट को देखेंगे। अगर वो मोर देन 5 हुई तो हम 60 पे करेंगे, और अगर वो लेस देन 5 हुई तो हम क्या करेंगे, 50 पे करेंगे, और अगर मोर देन 5 हुई या 5 भी हुई तो हम उसको क्या करेंगे, 60 के अप्रॉक्स करेंगे। ओके, 0 by 0 and keep the other digit same. If the digit at ones place is equal to or more than 5, replace the one digit by 0, increase the tens digit by 1. Understand? Rounding to the nearest 100, consider the numbers 728, 750, 769, all lying between 700 and 800. Okay, 720 is nearer to 700 than 800. So 720 is rounding off to 700. 750 lies halfway between 700 and 800. So 750 is rounding off to 800. 769 is nearer to 800 than to 700. So 769 is rounding off to 800. Look at the digit at the tens place. हम क्या देखेंगे, tens place को देखेंगे. If the digit at the tens place is less than 5, replace tens and one digit by 0. Keep the other digit same. If the digit at the tens place is equal to or more than 5, replace the tens and ones digit by 0 and increase the 100 digits by 1. Now rounding to the nearest thousand, consider the numbers 9,387, 9,687, 9,587, all lying between 9,000 and 10,000. Now 9,000 is nearer, 9,387 is nearer 9,000 than to 10,000. So this digit is rounding off to 9,000. This digit is nearer to 10,000 than to 9,000. So it is rounding off to 10,000. Now it is nearer to 10,000 than to 9,000. So it is rounding off to 10,000. Look at the digits at the 100 place. If the digit at the 100 place is less than 5, replace the 100 tens and one digit by 0. Keep the other digits same. Similarly, if the digit at the 100 place is equal to or more than 5, replace the 100 tens and one digit by 0 and increase the 1000 digit by 1. Understand? All are similar. Now come on the exercise 1.4. In each set, form the smallest and greatest six digit without repeating the following digit. Understand? ग्रेटेस्ट के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर का यूज करेंगे. सो 7, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. अंडरस्टैंड? एंड स्मॉलेस्ट ऑल्सो. स्मॉलेस्ट के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे क्लास, 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 7. ये है हमारी स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट और ये है हमारी greatest digit. Now again smallest and greatest. Now smallest is 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we use here ascending order. Now greatest के लिए हम use करेंगे descending order. 8, 7, 6, 5, 2, 1. Understand? Rest of the parts, do yourself. Now students, question number 2, round off the following numbers near a tens. Now it will become 2350 and now it will become 4150. Understand? Rest of the parts, do yourself. Now students, Roman numerals. We use numerals to write numbers. We use numerals to write numbers. Usually we use the numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. But sometimes we use Roman numerals like this. You might have seen these on cloak. आपने यहाँ पर घड़ी पर देखा होगा इसको, ऐसे नंबर्स लिखे हुए होते हैं ना. और ऑन द साइन आउटसाइड अ क्लासरूम. आपने अपनी क्लास को आप लिखते हैं ना कि फर्स्ट क्लास, सेकंड क्लास, third class, fourth class, and so on. The Romans used 7 letters as numerals. These numerals and their values are given below. So, this is for first, 5, 10, 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. Now, to form numbers with these numerals, you have to follow certain rules. To form larger number can be repeated up to 3 times. Larger number, ये हमारे नंबर्स को हम इसको कितनी बार रिपीट कर सकते हैं? 3 times. The number formed is their sum. Two numbers, 1 plus 1, 2, 20, 3, 200. Do not repeat V, L and D. Okay. A smaller number के लिए numeral gets added to greater numeral on its left. Okay. On its left, 5 plus 1, 6, 11, 7, 15, 8 and 22. Now smaller numeral gets subtract from the greater number on its right. On its right, 5 minus 1, 4, 50 minus 10, 40, 9. Now 4 is, हम 4 को ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते क्लास, 4 टाइम नहीं लिख सकते हम इसको like this. Now a smaller numeral between two greater numerals gets subtracted from the numeral on its right. Now it is 10 plus 5 minus 1, 40. Now 10 plus 10 minus 1, 19. Understand? See how these rules are used in writing 1 to 20. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10th, see, and so on till 20. Understand? Now students, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.